I've been asked many times how the insurance industry work. Before I explain that, I would like to introduce myself. This is Parth Dalal, working as financial advisor for many years. Basically, insurance is very old industry. It's been deep rooted in our culture. So back then, when there were tribes in 17th century, let's say someone in the tribes are hunter, someone were farmers, someone were goldsmiths, and there was a head of the tribes. So the basic responsibility of the head of the tribe is to make sure everyone should be safe, protected, satisfied, and happy, more importantly. So let's say if something happened to hunter, hunter passed away, hunter would have been killed by any animals, and then he didn't come back to home, and then the tribes had responsibility, used to help the family of the, used to take care of family of the hunter, used to make sure that family gets enough food and get roof on the head. The same concept comes into the situation of kings and the kingdoms. When the tribes community becomes bigger and bigger, they move to the kingdoms and there is a king. So king has the same responsibility to make sure that each of the soldiers, each of the population of the kingdom is protected. Let's say if soldiers gone on the war and didn't come back, then it's king's responsibility to protect the family of the soldiers. Then the concept of government has been in place. So there was a time this community became so much bigger that government could not able to handle this whole population and protect the whole population. So that's why they thought to have a private enterprises. So one of the private enterprise is an insurance. Insurance, how the insurance has been in place by government is like every month each person has to pay some money to get the protection they need, to get the protection if they, for the family if they fall sick, to get the protection for the family if they pass away, to get the enough money when they will retire, enough flow of money coming into the account and they retire. And the fourth and the most important thing is like to get the enough money for the children's foundation. So this is the concept from where insurance comes from. Basically, what insurance does is like every month someone is paying some amount of money and which is going into the pool. Now this pool is getting built by the people of the community. Now insurance company's job is to protect this pool because a lot of the time people try to do frauds and take money from the pool. So the insurance company manages this pool and relay the benefits, give away those benefits when the person and the family need it. Let's say insurance is depend on one basic thing. It's like pay a premium on time and get the coverage for 4 basic things. First and most important, number 1, get the money for your family when you pass away. Give the money to your family if you fall sick. Third, get the money for yourself when you retire. And the fourth is like give the money to your kids when you will no longer be with them. Give them money to start a good foundation. So this is a basic concept of insurance. If you have any questions about this, go with the intergeneration planner like me and get the best insurance for yourself and your family to protect yourself. You can reach me on 778-814-2386. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you.